What's the meaning of bathos? Bathos. Bathos.
Bathos. Bathos. Bathos is a literary term used to describe a sudden shift in tone, often from the sublime to the ridiculous, that results in a jarring anticlimax. The term originates from the Greek word bathos, meaning deep, and refers to a descent into triviality or sentimentality. It is often used in satire and parody to create a comic effect, but when used poorly, it can come across as forced and contrived. Bathos can also refer to a failure of an author to maintain a consistent tone, resulting in a disjointed and unsatisfying reading experience. Ultimately, bathos is a cautionary reminder for writers to carefully calibrate their use of humor and irony to maintain the integrity of their work.